The Power of Words: How to Build Deep, Intimate Connections with Women. Ever wondered if certain magic words can irresistibly invite intimacy? Whether you're looking to deepen your relationship or create a special connection with someone new, understanding the power of language can change your love life forever. In this video, we'll reveal how to communicate your desires without fear of rejection, helping you build intimate and meaningful connections. Stay with us until the end to discover practical tips that can transform your relationships. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment with the number 1. If not, comment with a 0 so we can improve the content for you. Let's dive in. Section 1. The Power of Words over Appearance. First, it's crucial to understand that physical appearance isn't everything in the complex world of attraction. While looks might catch someone's eye, true attraction and meaningful connections go far beyond the superficial. The essence of winning someone's heart lies in the depth of your words and the sincerity behind them. Words have the power to spark interest, fan the flames of affection, and build bridges of understanding. By choosing your words carefully and speaking with sincerity, you create a resonance that transcends mere physical attraction. It's through meaningful conversations, shared experiences, and emotional connections that lasting bonds are forged. Section 2. The Role of Nonverbal Cues. However, how you express yourself is equally important. Nonverbal cues like eye contact, facial expressions, gestures, and body language add layers of nuance and authenticity to your words. When your verbal and nonverbal expressions align, they create a compelling narrative of who you are and what you value. This harmony between words and actions builds trust and deepens connections, laying the foundation for relationships that transcend the superficial and endure through the complexities of life. Section 3. The Impact of Effective Communication. Men who possess strong conversational skills often experience remarkable success in relationships. Their achievements stem not from their physical attributes, but from their ability to engage, intrigue, and connect on a deeper emotional level. This ability to articulate thoughts clearly, listen attentively, and respond with empathy fosters meaningful interactions that leave a lasting impression. Active listening is a cornerstone of effective communication. By giving full attention to your partner's thoughts and feelings, you show respect and validation, key elements for fostering deep emotional connections. Section 4. Strategies for inviting intimacy. So, how can you invite a woman to have an intimate relationship with you? One subtle approach is to whisper in her ear, "I really want to be alone with you. Would you like to come to my place?" While this invitation might not sound perfectly smooth, a bit of clumsiness can work in your favor. The honesty and vulnerability in your words can be endearing and persuasive. The physical proximity of whispering naturally fosters a sense of closeness and privacy, while the content of your words reveals your genuine desire. It's important to be aware of the context and ensure the moment feels right, enhancing the authenticity of your invitation. Section 5. Creating a comfortable atmosphere. Another strategy is to act shy about the possibility of ending up in a more private setting. Find a casual excuse, like inviting her over to watch a movie or have a drink. This approach reduces pressure and allows the situation to develop naturally. For example, you might say, "Would you like to come to my place to watch that new movie I mentioned?" This invitation, though seemingly innocent, opens the door to a more private scenario where intimacy can develop spontaneously. It also allows you to gauge her interest and comfort level more subtly. Section 6. The Importance of Sincerity and Respect. Regardless of the approach, the foundation remains the same. Authenticity and confidence are paramount. These qualities transcend the mere selection of words and delve into the realm of non-verbal communication. Subtle cues like firm eye contact, confident posture, and the tone of your voice play instrumental roles in the dance of seduction. In the art of connection, these non-verbal elements serve as powerful carriers of intention and emotion, enhancing the impact of your words. Mastering this holistic approach allows you to navigate social dynamics with finesse, forging deeper bonds and communicating your intentions with clarity. In summary, effective communication, both verbal and non-verbal, is fundamental for building intimate and meaningful relationships. By mastering these skills, you can improve your interactions and build more satisfying and lasting connections. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below. And for more life-changing content, like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.